Okay, this is going to be the lesson video for um, Unit 1 of Algebra 1, Skill 3. So this one's going to be very quick. We are, in this lesson, in this skill, we're just reviewing again, and this one is all about multiplying integers. So when we talk about multiplying integers, we're just talking about multiplying, 7 times 8, or negative 6 times 5, or negative 3 times negative 4. And so I'll use these examples to kind of illustrate the main concept that you need to get. But the main idea that you need to take away from this is what to do with these different combinations of positive and negative. And there's kind of this little diagram that you can use for positive and the negatives when you're thinking about this. Obviously, I just want to, before I get way into it, is when I'm doing two positives, the answer is always going to be positive. So over here, I'm just multiplying 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. You are welcome to use a calculator on that, or hopefully you remember your multiplication tables. I will post one on the class page if you want to review that. So in these two instances down here, we have some combination of negatives. And this little triangle diagram I drew is the way for you to know what the answer should be. For instance, if I multiply a negative times a positive, then the answer is what's left in that triangle, which is a negative. So my answer is going to be negative 6 times 5 is 30, negative 30. So let's look at the next one. What if I'm doing negative 3 times negative 4? Well, that's a negative times a negative, and so they cancel each other out, leaving us with a positive answer. So then negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. And that's really everything that you're doing in lesson or skill 3. It's just really quick 5 problems multiplying different combinations of whole numbers, integers, positive and negative whole numbers. And you can use this little triangle diagram to help you know that. So I'm actually going to edit this, and I will post an image with those examples worked out for you here in a minute.